Hi there beautiful, welcome to our Korean makeup tutorial. Our first step is of course the sunscreen, so don't forget to use your sun milk. The sun milk will protect your skin from the UVA and UVB rays of the sun. Apply liberally on your skin. Our second step is of course our instant Korean glass skin. So no tiis ganda, no peeling, just apply the Honey Glow finisher after your sun milk. Kung nakikita nyo po, it creates a Korean glass skin luminous effect and dewy glow. Don't forget your neck para protected din ang neck natin. So kung napapansin yung kabila, hindi talaga shiny, hindi luminous. So just use the two products to get this kind of skin that you really like for a Korean look. The third step is don't forget your foundation. So I've been using the Luminous Liquid Foundation in W130 Ivory shade. So what's good thing about the foundation of Mary Kay is it protects your skin. It's non-comedogenic. So yung mga dikit at yung mga pollutants, didikit lang po siya dun sa foundation mo and it won't clog sa pores mo. So in that case, napakalinis ng pores mo habang nagpa-foundation ka, hindi kayo nagkaka-pimple. So nakikita nyo ba yung difference? So also don't forget your neck, no, para pantay naman yung kulay. Ayan, instant effect. Nakita nyo po yung difference ng aking skin? Don't forget your brows. I used the Precision Liner in dark blonde. So create a more softer look with a softer shade because Korean girls, they love those innocent, a bit straight brows. So hindi ko kasi talaga nasi-straight yung brows ko. So just create a bit straighter line to your brows. To achieve a fuller look of your brows, because the thicker the brows, the younger you look. So apply a brow tint gel. So I used the brow tint gel in the shade dark blonde. And then for the eyes, yung Korean, they love very subtle look of the eyes. So I applied a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose. And then, don't forget to apply your waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. So, kapag bago ka pa lang at hindi ka sanay sa paggamit ng mga liquid eyeliner, so, opt for those pen type dahil madali lang siyang i-apply. Para lang ball pen. So, I've been using the waterproof since hooded yung eyes ko para hindi siya nagsusmudge. Dahil wala naman akong ka-eyelashes, but I still love to wear mascara. So, I've been using the waterproof mascara of Mary Kay. And then, for the last step is to apply your Razzleberry Lip and Cheek Stick. So, dahil mahilig din po sila sa medyo not so pula and not so powdery. Yan. So, it's for the lips and for the cheeks. So, which look do you like better? And this is the Razzleberry. So it will give you a more natural hint of red to your lips. At dahil matatangos yung ilong ng Korean, so dahil ayoko na maglagay ng contouring powder, I've been using a concealer to create an illusion of a mas matangos na ilong. Ayan. Naging matangos na ba? And here is the final look. So just Korean women have good curly hair. So baba nyo lang yung hair nyo to have this kind of look. Messy pero cute. Here is our final Korean look. I hope you enjoy.